In this tutorial, I will show you dimension tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. I have already drawn few primitive shapes here to demonstrate this tool, and this is, you can access dimension tool from here. This is dimension, measure and plot linear, angular and radial dimensions. So I am accessing this tool. When I am accessing this tool, this is linear dimension, this is angular dimension, and this is radial dimension. And also you will get few options here. Here is unit and scale, dimension lines, how much line weight you want, arrow style, extension lines, and dimension text. Also the position of the text. So I am using it default. So I am now accessing the linear dimension tool. After accessing this tool, now if I hover over my cursor point to the line, you can see it is automatically shown a guide that this is 141.1 pixel length. So I am clicking and dragging it. When I am dragging it, you can see it is moving, and really after releasing the mouse, it will plot the dimensions there. This is 141.1 pixel. This is linear, that was linear gradient. Also, if I you can see this is 137.16 pixels. So I am plotting here. Also, you can see if I measure here, you can see that this is another measurement. It is show linear measurement. So I am dragging it and plot here. So here is, this is 73.2 pixel, here is 141.1 pixel. So in this way you can measure the linear dimensions from a shape. Also, if you want to measure angular shape, you can see angular. Just click here in the center point, you click here, you can see this is 119.96 degree. So if you dragging it in the forward, this is 119.96 degree, and if you send it backward, you can see the angle is 240.64 degrees. So I am plotting here. Also I am clicking here and clicking here, and you can see this is, I am clicking on the two lines, and now it is showing the angle of it. So that was angular dimension, and this is radial dimension. You can see this is, when I am clicking, it is showing the half radius of the shape, and if you click on the inner part of the shape, then you can see the full radius of the shape. Or you can drag it out part, you can measure the half of the radius. So in this way you can use this versatile tool from Adobe Illustrator. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel. Keep editing.